Hello guys, today I will show you how to animate action figures like the Dummy 13 that I bought right here on the wallpaper. And I still have a Dummy 13 and it's still not um built. It's just in pieces. I will show you. So this is my animating room. It's my box where I put my Dummy 13. Wait, I'll just get it. There, that box right there. Now if you open it, you're gonna see my action figure and its accessories. Now, oh shit. Blood became headless. TV. Done. Bro, what the? Now, no. What is it? Oh, 37. Let's make it stand up like this. Now, if you want to animate, you can use any stands, but I don't have any, so I use my hand. So, I'm just gonna bring back my tools because I'm just gonna use a gun. So, let me take this and put it right here. And I will show you the one that's not built yet, or not assembled yet, that I forgot it. Still not assembled. And here are the guides, but I don't use them. Wait, I'll show you one. So yeah, that's it. This is the head of it. And bruh. Now, let's animate. We're gonna go to the stop motion app. Where the heck did the camera go? Now go here and let's rotate the screen so just like that. Now we're gonna make a oh shit. We're gonna make a looking like Russian roulette. Push. Why the heck? Blood became headless again. Without balance. Okay, fix that. So, first picture. Now he's gonna give you the gun, so that's good. Blood your pass. Now he's giving the gun. Now he let's open it. Reliable ka? Don't mind that. Now the gun fire. Oh. Now, now, second. Now the gun. Empty. Now you give the gun back. Get out! Blood kita. Okay. Let's celebrate. Let's make it stop motion video. We hold it up so that it doesn't fall. Then fire. Now we give the now that he has gone. No. Now, let's look at the stop motion. What the heck? That looks like a suicide except for Russian robot. Okay, that's how I animate. That's how to animate stop motion because I don't animate stop motion. I just animate 2D. No. So yeah, I will post this video, that stop motion video, and this video too.